I provided a cleaned up Excel table. I wanted to show you how I did that cleaning. We didn't have time to do it in the demonstration, but starting from the BEA web page, we have the tables only that gives us the Excel table. I've already downloaded that. And the Excel table is here. We have the 3 tabs, Table 1, Table 2, and Table 3. First thing I'm going to do is create a data dictionary table. I'm going to create a new tab here down on this sheet. Call this data dictionary. This is so I can keep straight what I'm doing if I need to go back and fact check on deadline. I'm going to copy the header of the data sheet. Go back to Excel and copy that in here. And save it. Go back to the web page, copy the source of the data. So now I know the time and the title of the data. I'm going to clean up table 3 here. Get this table title, go back to data dictionary, and I'm going to make a note that deleted headers, changed state field. Okay. Going back to table 3, I'm going to make a copy of it. On the Mac, you hit Control and click. It brings up a menu to copy your tab, create a copy, table 2, table 3, modified. This way, if I mess up my table 3, I have the original still there. Working with table 3, the problem here with these government spreadsheets is they love to merge and center their fields, and this causes all sorts of confusion and problems when you import data. So we have to unmerge this stuff. I'm going to highlight the top headers. You see that they are merged, and we're unmerging them. And then I'm going to make this row 3 to be our new header row. This column B, I'm going to copy this and paste it down. So that's just a percentage change, and everything else is in the percentage points. We will make this note in our data dictionary. Going back here, column B, what's that percentage change? Rest are percentages. I think we'll just modify that by saying that way we just know there's a difference here. Okay, so this, we're going to call this metro area. And we're going to delete these first 2 rows. You see I've hit the row field to delete and highlighted both rows. Edit, delete. Okay, now we're getting things cleaned up here. We need to scroll down and just see what we have here. At the bottom, we have a couple more rows that are merged. Unmerge those. One modification we want to make here is to break out the states into their own column. B, we will go insert a column. A will highlight. We're going to use a function in the Data tab called text to columns. What this is going to do is it's going to break out the text of all the states into its own column, asking for it to look for a delimited field, which would be the comma. You can see when we bring on the comma, it's now taking out all the states and putting it into its own field. Click on Next, Finish, and there we are. Call this State. There's no state for metropolitan, so we'll go NA. There's no state for US, NA. You'll notice some of these regions have multiple states, but it's at least a start. So you will, if you have a area that has a multiple state, you will know what to do with it. So going down here, look at that. Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington. 4-state area. Interesting. So there we go. We've now cleaned up the table 3. Save this turkey here. And let's look at table 2 here. Again, copy the header out of this. Go over to our data dictionary. Table 2, modified headers. And table 2, we have, see, we have 2 rows of yearly data. One are the actual numbers in dollars, and then the others are the percentage change. We just got to keep that straight. I'll show you my strategy for doing that. So I'm just going to copy this over here so we have all that. Okay. And table 2, we will now, I did a control click on the Mac, copying table 2, call that table 2 modified. Okay, so we know up to here, up to table G, this is the millions of dollars, okay? And this is the percentage change. I think it's pretty obvious this is millions. We can figure that out. Percentage change, we should probably relabel those headers. First thing we're going to do is unmerge these cells. Unmerge the cells. And then we're going to do this. We're going to copy that. Just a simple percentage change. And like that. Okay. Copy that over. Copy that over. Copy that over. And copy that over. Okay. Copy this down to the next row. You see what I see in a second why I'm doing all this. Okay, so get rid of the top headers and metro area. You could split off the states if you wanted to. Let's get rid of this down here. That's all merged. Okay, those are advanced statistics. Merge that. Let's do the states. Insert a column. Text. 2 columns. The fixed width being the comma gives us all states are broken out. Next. Finish. Okay. State. NA. And that has cleaned up our table 2. Did a lot here, but this is standard data cleaning to get your spreadsheets to act well with Tableau or any statistical software that would want to recognize the headers and create automatic labels for them in a new format. Also allows you to do more easy modification of the data. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks.